Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Donnelly.
Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Inday Donna.
Happy birthday, Ate Donna.
Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Donna.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Donald.
From Mommy Vicky,
And Daddy Aaron. Hope you have many more to come.
enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ate Donali.
Happy birthday, Donna.
Happy birthday, Tita Dulon. Enjoy po.
Tita Dana, I'm Mommy Vicky's granddaughter, Callie. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day today. God bless you, and I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you someday.
Hi, Inday Donalyn. Happy birthday. 18 na gadyo ka day. Ay, murag ka nos arjud ko ba nga bata pa ka. Dali kay panahon ako guys na day. Bitaw day pasensya jud kayo kung wala ko sa mong birthday ha, pero akong wish sa imong birthday is mag-focus ka sa imong pag-eskwela, unya makahuman ka sa imong pag-eskwela, and then kanang i-enjoy ra nimo imong college life, i-balance ra nimo ba imong studies, imong kuan, imong unsa pa man diha, imong sports no na perfect. Unya kung sa mga makeup pod na chatira ko kung unsa imong mga kuan sa makeup. Dayon kanang kuan, kanang healthy ka kanunay, kanang iwas ta sa mga sakit-sakit na moro to day pag-amping, and God bless. Happy birthday usab. Kita kits pohon. Hi.
Hi Donna, happy birthday. Ang message ko lang sa'yo is, lagi kang magpapakabait and pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo. And kayang-kaya mo yung nursing. Kung may tanong ka, magsabi ka sa akin. Enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday. Bye!
Happy birthday, Inday Donna. Magdidipo ka na pala, Donna. Parang kailan lang sana stay mabait ka pa rin. Susunod sa mga magulang mo. Stay pretty. Napakagandang bata. No doubt, Ed. Tsaka, sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, Day. Matupad mo ang pangarap mo sa buhay na mag-around the world ka. Huwag mong pababayaan yung pag-aaral mo, pati yung sarili mo, huwag mong pababayaan, ha? Andito lang kami mga tita mo. Nakasubaybay sa'yo. Alam ko naman mabait ka eh. Tsaka, huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. Yari ka sa tatay mo. Wish ko lang talaga sa birthday mo, enjoy your day. Alam kong magiging masaya yan. Wish lang namin na nandiyan kami, pero sorry, hindi kami makakapunta kasi malayo kami. So, enjoy your best day in your life, Day. Basta, you're always beautiful. And, pagtatapos mo yung pag-aaral mo, happy birthday, Day. Inday Donna, happy 18th birthday. I love you from your tita, Tita Jenny.
Hi, Donna! Happy birthday!
Day! Finally, dalaga na talaga siya. Sayang wala kami dyan, Day. Hindi kami makakain ng lechon. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Finally, the lady is coming out. Proceed with caution, darling. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Donna!
Hello, Day! Happy birthday! Dati, ikaw yung kinakarga ko. Ngayon, parang ako na yung kaya mong kargahin eh. So, wishing you more blessings to come and God bless you always and our families. And harinawa na lumaki ka na may takot pa sa Diyos and may takot pa sa mga magulang mo. And especially kay Kuya Lindon na pasaway. Harinawa na patakot ka sa kanya pag siya nagalit. So, happy birthday ulit and have a nice day. Bye-bye!
Hello to my bugay. Happy 18th birthday. small pa rin, maliit pa din, pero cute. Kagaya ng mama niya. Bugay, mag-aral ng mabuti. And sana huwag kalimutang laging magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Sana happy ka at sana ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Love you, Bugay. Happy birthday.
Hi Donalyn, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung college life. Siyempre, hindi maiiwasan ang stress, pero malalampasan din natin yan. May all your wish dream come true, and God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy birthday Donna. Happy legal age. Tapos, stay pretty. Tsaka galingan mo sa school. Tsaka galingan mo sa pagkanta. Idol kita eh. Charis. Tsaka see you. See you sa pag umuwi kami dyan. Miss you, be. Matanda ko na. Charis. Yun lang. See you. And enjoy, okay? And of course, don't forget to pray and praise the Lord. Mama, happy birthday ulit. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Donalyn. Wish you all the best and God bless you palagi. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Donalyn. We'll see you in May.
Happy birthday, Donalyn. See you in May. Happy birthday, Donalyn. Saving the best for last. I'll see you in May.